We are in the season of everything pumpkin spice. So our friend and organizing expert Brenda Prinzavali is here now to take a look at how these spices can help our sensory system. And Brenda, I was just telling you, this is your best smelling display yet.
Well, I'll leave it. It has that nice aroma. And you know, part of the reason of the draw to pumpkin spice is that it is very much a psychological, that you have this connection to past aromas of family gatherings.
Yeah,
and so it really
comforting.
stirs up a lot, you know, of good memories and things like that. So there's that extra draw to it, of course.
Okay, I love that. Now, normally you're talking organization. So I am just shocked that we're talking pumpkin spice, but I know there's a reason behind it.
There is. There is. Each one of these spices that are the main 4 spices in pumpkin spice have their certain properties that instill something in you.
Okay.
And now, not to say that I can totally replace pumpkin spice, but if you do some organizing actions, you might just actually get that same sensation.
Okay, there it is.
So the very first thing is nutmeg. And what nutmeg does is it really heightens your alertness and your awareness and your attention to things. So what can you do to heighten your alertness and your attention? And I'm just going to give you 2 ideas. One is on Sunday night, or whatever is the start of your week, really look ahead at the full week.
Okay.
Do a flyover. Really look at everything that's planned and scheduled and make sure that it's doable.
Okay.
So that now you're alert to what you need to be doing the rest of the week and you can pay attention to it.
Okay.
So that's important.
Very smart.
Yeah. And then the other thing is, as you're doing that, I think sometimes we have traffic to deal with, and so you always have to take that into consideration. But set realistic travel times.
Okay.
Because when you're like, oh, it'll just take me 5 minutes to get there, and now it takes you 15 to 20, and now you're late. So that can bring better attention to you being on time.
Okay, good to know.
Yes.
I think I'm 15 minutes away from everything.
Okay.
What's the next spice that we can duplicate?
You know, the next one is ginger.
Okay.
And ginger reduces nausea. Well, you know, when you're unorganized, it can make you feel sick to your stomach. It just, you know, ties your stomach up into knots. So here's what you can do. Make sure that those most frequently used spaces are in order. It's going to stop that tummy feeling of, oh, this is so bad.
Yes.
So really make sure that you're doing that. And then the other thing is to have a system for your workplace. You know, really make sure that, because that's where you're a lot of the time, spending a lot of time, and there's nothing worse than deadlines and that get y'all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 2 spices left.
We do. Now, cinnamon is very calming. And there's nothing more calming than having your space organized. It makes you feel nice and relaxed.
Yeah.
So here are 2 quick little things that you can do. One is, before you go to bed, spend 15 minutes and do a quick fly over and pick up things and put them away. Just 15 minutes. Just put things away.
That's doable.
You will wake up much happier because now your space is calm. You're starting the day with a calm environment. So that's a really important thing to do. And then the second thing is actually to just make sure that you're cleaning up after meals. Keep your kitchen clean.
Okay.
Don't have a dirty sink. You know?
Okay, and last but not least?
Clove. Clove reduces pain.
Okay.
Nothing like organizing to reduce your everyday pain in so many different areas. Calendars will help you remove the pain of being late. All these things that you can do will remove the pain of not being organized. So the next time you're having a latte, you know, that's the pumpkin spice latte, just think about how you can do one of those things and enjoy that spice, the organizing spice.
Only our Brenda Prinzavali can make pumpkin spice into an organization segment. Thank you so much, Brenda. And you can follow her on her social media pages. Jason?
All right.